guys, so for lunch today, I am using a Yum Box. This is the panino. Inside today, we have cheese quesadilla as the main meal. And I have these cute little cupcake toppers that we had gotten for one of his birthdays. I just wanted to decorate for fun. So these are Minecraft. This is, I was told, Steve in diamond armor and his diamond sword. So we're just gonna tuck that in here just for extra decoration. I have some grapes and then his multivitamins in here. And then for the vegetable today, I actually steamed up some broccoli and some carrots that I cut into star shapes. So I have that. To go along with that, we have these Pocky sticks. Not sure if you guys have ever had these, but they come in multiple flavors. This is the basic chocolate one. You can find it in actually regular grocery stores now, Asian markets, or Costco even sells these in bulk as well. So we have that. I have his thermos here, also Minecraft theme. And then for snack, we have applesauce. Today for his snack, I also have this spoon fork thing that I had shown you guys in the past. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description box down below, but it's really easy to use because you can do either way and then just save it and clean it up for next time. So that's what he's gonna have for lunch. We'll see what he comes back with at the end of the day. Bye. Hey everyone, I have another lunch for Brandon. Today we were actually not using a bento box. Instead, we're going with a thermos container because I'm gonna give him some pasta. Today I have in here some butter noodles with some peas. And then to go with that, I have some oranges or clementine that I peeled for him. And then I'm gonna give him a snack today. This is Nutella breadsticks. These are really good. I got these at Costco, but they sell them everywhere. And this is just a fun treat for, you know, any special day. So since he already has his vegetable in the pasta and then he has his fruit here, this is gonna be considered the dessert snack. This is for snack time. So I gave him a Baby Bell cheese and then a skewer of salami. This is just 2 salami slices that I cut up and then just made into a little stick there. I'm gonna also attach one of these spoon fork utensils for the pasta. The container does come with a spoon, but these noodles are a bit trickier to eat, so I'm gonna give him one of these. And then to go with that, I have his drink container here. So we will see at the end of the day what he brings back. Hopefully all the pieces and all these containers come back because it's a little more trickier than a bento box, I would say, but I think he'll love this meal. Hey guys, so it's another lunch today and I'm actually really excited about this one. I've never packed this for lunch before, but I know that Brandon loves to eat it when we have it for dinner. So we are using today the Bentgo chill. In the Bentgo chill, we are doing a DIY taco. So I have a flour tortilla, regular small size, and I just cut it into half so he can eat just one full taco, but I made it a little easier so that he didn't have to make one large one, but just 2 small ones instead. I have a little cup of cheese here, some shredded cheese. This is some chicken with some salsa that I had slow cooked and then shredded. And then I have some lettuce and tomato and a few tortilla chips for this Bentgo chill. Underneath, I've shown you guys this before, but underneath there is a freezer pack. So this goes into the freezer and then you just put this on top and it keeps everything cold and you just shut it closed. And then that should be good. I also have an orange or a little clementine that I peeled up for him for some fruit. And then for a snack, we have a yogurt stick and then his thermos of water. So that's what he's bringing today. I'm not sure which of these 2 is going to be snack and what part's going to be for lunch, but we will see what he eats at the end of the day. Hopefully he likes the taco, DIY taco, because I think it's a pretty fun idea. Have a good day, guys. Bye. Hey guys, today I have a bonus video. This is lunch for Brandon, but also I'm doing a lunch for me as well. So this is like a mommy and me lunch. If you guys like those videos, we do have more of that on my channel, but today we are using the Planet Box. This one is the Rover. Brandon's gonna have this one. And for lunch today, we are going with a Nutella sandwich. I have a sandwich cutter that's in the shape of a puzzle. He really likes this one because you can kind of move the pieces around. With that, I have some Terra vegetable chips and some apple slices, multivitamin, and some pistachios. That's gonna be for him. And then for snack, I'm gonna give him a cheese stick, and then he has his water bottle. And then for me, I have also a Planet box. This one is the lunch, so I've shown you guys these before. Sometimes I give him this one, but usually if I pack one as well, I get the bigger one. Instead of Nutella, I went with peanut butter and marshmallow fluff. And if you guys have never tried that, it's really, really good. So that is another sandwich option. I also have the same vegetable chips and apple slices as well. And then I have my water bottle today. So that is what we are having for lunch. I'm definitely gonna finish mine, so you're not gonna see that, but we'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, bye.